Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. First of all, you have to take a square piece of paper of 12 centimeters square, fold it into two equal halves, press well to have crease on your paper. Now, double half it. Like first, you have to open the triangle and then press the top to the bottom so that you may have a square type shape. Now from the other side, a bit tricky. All right. Done doing this. The fold into two leaf type triangles. Hope you are learning it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends, family members, and relatives. And don't forget to visit our channel for more origami tutorials. Nearly done. Now open it and okay, the star shape has formed. And it's done. some detailings, pressing so that it may look elegant. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.